Today on Mic Attempts, replacing Honda Civic wiper blade inserts. You can replace the inserts with the blades still attached to the car, or you can remove them. I'll show you both ways. Lift the wiper arm, grab the bottom of the rubber insert, and pull to release. The inserts have a metal rib on each side that you'll need to reuse. Here's the new passenger side replacement insert. See the description below for the part number. There are two raised bumps on both sides of the blade inserts. Those go towards the bottom of the blade. The notches on the ends of the metal ribs face inward. Hold the insert firmly and guide it up from the bottom, making sure all 4 sets of guide tabs slide into the channel on both sides. Once it's all the way to the top, press the bottom to lock it in place. If you find this method too awkward, you can remove the blade from the arm. Pop open the retaining cap, pull down on the blade, rotate counterclockwise, and pull out. Here's a closer look at the insert channel and 4 guide tabs. Reinstall the blade in reverse order. Repeat the process on the other side. Grab the rubber insert and pull down. Here's the new driver's side replacement. I'll include the part number in the description below. Again, here are the raised bumps that go towards the bottom, and the notches that face inward. Or, as before, you can remove the whole blade. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.